So what are these parts here called? The rear control arms?
Control arm subframe to wheel carrier.
Okay. And these are the tie rods. They're the same, left and right's the same? Or are they different?
I think they're different. Because they have this little bend.
Oh yeah, sure enough.
And
they're different.
These are different too. But yeah, I've got new boots as well. The tie rods are not loose, but I'm replacing them because I'm installing new boots.
Oh, okay.
So to get the boot out, I have to remove it anyways.
Yeah.
So. You have a 21mm. The whole thing's turning, so now I gotta hold it.
They have one of those hex things on the inside.
This one is better. It's got a it is
External
hex, but it's
hex.
external, yeah. See, the ABS light's on already, so I don't have to worry about damaging this line. That's how it works.
Is that right?
Well, when you're a mechanic, yeah.
Is your ABS light on?
Yeah.
Because of the module?
Yeah, that, and I think there's something else. Thanks.
I remember one time I was working on a 65 Corvette, changing the shocks.
Yeah.
They put the bolts in before they put the body on it.
Yeah.
So you had to cut the bolts.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, she's gone. What'd you say? You had to cut the bolts to get the shocks out. Big difference.
That's an unusual boot. It's like clear.
Silicone.
It's clear.
Yeah.
It's cool.
The other boot's clear too. You can see right through it. It's like it's not even there.
Yeah.
Were you hearing noises back here? In the back?
I wasn't actually. Dude, this car is so much sound dampening. I think that's how people can have one of these and complain of, like, think that the handling is messed up, and then they'll want to put on like a coilover or something, but So I'm gonna be reusing the old bolt because it has a built-in washer.
Oh, nice.
This is just a lock nut with no washer. So, and the one in the front's like that too. So I'll reuse the old one. It seems superior. Yeah. This is gonna be tricky. I think I did it backwards.
Yeah, maybe so.
With the old one, it had so much flex.
I can.
Yeah, no problem. So if you look at this part, it sits in there like this. This is a ball and socket joint. So, you know, it can rotate all day. And spin if you want it to. But this is not a ball and socket. So if you look at like a service manual, a lot of times when you replace a part like this, they'll tell you not to fully tighten this bolt until the car's on the ground and it's at its resting ride height. Because if I tighten it now, it's going to be angled like this. It's like an exaggeration, but when I do let the car on the ground, it's going to load it up.
Yeah. So that's what you're planning to do? It's just...
No. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and tighten it up, and then when I'm doing the alignment, then I'll just loosen it and then retighten it when it's on the alignment rack.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna be. I don't even know how I would tighten that. It would be. I'd have to like.
I guess you could put
All
a
around.
jack onto this wheel,
Yeah, you could.
jack it up. That'd be close enough, right?
Yeah, it would be better than just tightening it with it all the way.